What's up, Bazzle babes? It's your girl Joy from Bazzlelicious Bites, and we have my daughter Bobby. Bobby's my sweet girl. They're all sweet in their own way. They're just all different. So we are here to slay this food, and oh, look at this. We have snow crab legs, colossal shrimp, potatoes, corn, lobster, and I don't know. I've seen other people do it, so I just said I would try it. We got boiled eggs. Okay. Ooh, they rolling off, child. And so we have some questions that we're gonna ask. Oh, child. And we have some bloves sauce down here. Now, for my first mukbang, I made a huge batch, and it was slightly salty. They gave me a headache for a couple of days, so I just diluted it with I just added more butter. And so as you see, it separates, so we just stir it up before we go in. And and I was talking to the guy at the seafood market, and I was like, well, the king crab that we had, I was like, it was kind of chewy. I wasn't crazy about it. I said I thoroughly enjoyed the snow crab legs more than the king crab. And he said, he explained, he said, you probably overcooked them. So I will give king crab legs another try. In a couple of weeks, we're gonna fry them, child. You know, I like everything fried. Okay, so Bobby has to go. She's going to a friend's house. It is like 3 o'clock right now, and I'm going to work, and this is a Sunday. So I don't know when I'm gonna get this up, because I have to put in grades and so on and so forth. So we are playing a game, and we're gonna play the same game on my vlog channel, Only in Bazzle's World. So child, don't ask.
We're gonna play that?
Yes, and we have questions. So hopefully go get you some food. Join us while we eat. Should we go for the food? Show the food first?
Brooke said she'll wait.
Okay, good. All right, so here are the snow crab legs. Got shrimp, and we have bloves sauce all over them. Look at that. Snow crab, the shrimp are huge.
These are different from the last ones we had.
I got the extra large shrimp this time, and the shell is on. I made a simple seafood boil, very simple. And then one of the things that I put in my seafood, all my seafood, I put in Sazon packets, and you get those in the Hispanic section.
The shrimp is like cooked so perfectly.
Oh my god. How? So with the shrimp, since I had leftover bloves sauce, I put in some bloves sauce, which has a ton of flavor. And I put in a little more butter and some garlic, and I sauteed the shrimp in that. I didn't add any extra seasoning, and it is perfection.
Do you usually boil the shrimp with it? You don't?
I always saute.
Usually it's like a little overcooked, but like it's cooked so well this time.
And so Bobby is my middle daughter, for those of you who don't know. And she's also the cook in the family. And my son Clinton, he doesn't like seafood. So, and then Sydney, how old is Sydney? 14? My foot is okay. So for 1 month, all their ages were 14, 15, and 16. And then my son turned 17.
So it'll be, because I'll turn 16 in February, and then Sydney will turn. So it will be when Sydney turns 15, we'll all be the same.
Right.
So it's always when Sydney turns a new age, we'll all be the same.
Yeah, for 1 month it's consecutive. And the thing I really like about the mukbangs also is that you get that bonding time with the kids. So like yesterday, my son and I, well, that should be up by the time I get this up. Child and grades and being a teacher. And so yesterday, my son and I did a mukbang challenge with my famous sandwich. Let me tell you, my sandwich is good. You better ask somebody. So I did attach a link to the drive-in movie theater vlog that we did where I made the sandwich. So you'll see how I put the sandwich together. So we did a challenge together. Who can eat that sandwich? That sandwich is about like this. I'm not even gonna tell you who the winner is, but my son is 17 and 6'5". I'm not even gonna tell you who the winner was. I'm not gonna do it. And so that is fun.
You're not gonna tell them.
And Sydney, the 14-year-old, she watches everything she eats. So I haven't figured out. And Bobby, she's down to eat whatever. She'll eat whatever. So, but I try to do stuff with all the kids. And then sometimes you'll see Heather. She eats like a bird too, so I don't know.
We could do like Caesar salads or something.
Caesar salad?
You don't like Caesar salad?
For a mukbang? Who wants to sit there and eat some salad?
Caesar salad is so good. I'm gonna have one of these.
So also on this channel, I break that leg off, girl. You don't break it off from the middle. Girl, you gotta get up in there. And then you dip that part in.
Oh.
So I don't know. With the boiled egg thing, I've seen other people have it.
I don't know about that. You go ahead.
It might be good, Bobby. You don't like boiled eggs? Have you ever seen somebody do the boiled egg? Nope. One time I saw B-Love. She had boiled eggs. What else does she have in there?
Oh my God.
Boiled eggs, corn, and I don't know what else she had in there. I really don't. I gotta get some of the sauce. Let me get this spoon so I can pour some of the sauce on the egg. I don't know.
Is it good?
But you gotta get the sauce at the bottom because everything settles. But if you get the stuff from the bottom, yeah, it's good with that.
Where are the kitchen shears?
Yeah. So, yeah, you really gotta get this stuff at the bottom. That was good though. I probably won't do it again. But it was good. No, I won't do it again.
How did we do this last time? Did we just cut the leg? Or did we crack it? I don't remember. What did we do? Did we cut it?
Let mama do it. Let mama. Well, you know this has a cracking thing too. Some people use their teeth. You just go for it, Bobby. I think you got it all. Yeah, you just gotta go for it, child.
I need to stir it.
So this sauce is on point. And I guess after it marinates for a while, because I made a big batch of the B-Love sauce, and of course I add my own little twist to that as well. I followed everything off a recipe. I added chicken stock. I did add chicken stock, and I added Sazon packets.
Does she do like water?
I haven't seen her do a liquid.
You should do like seafood stock.
That'd be good. Well, that's when you get the boil, the seafood.
The juice that's left over.
No, there's a seasoning. Oh, babe seasoning.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Mm.
Oh my god.
It's so good. Okay.
I feel like every time I do this with you, I always have to go somewhere. It's always a rush.
Guys, the kids in their social life, my other daughter's like, can you take me to the movies? I'm like, dude, I have something to do.
It's like crawfish, like when you pull the, I didn't get any meat though.
The shrimp is so good.
Yeah, the shrimp is really good this time.
And it's like we always make so much food.
Where did it go?
In my face.
It like disappeared, like I thought it was gone.
Look, we may have to do a de-shelled mukbang for her.
Yes, please. Ow. I hurt myself.
Just give it to me. You got it?
Yeah, look it.
You sure?
I'm hurting myself.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god, all that meat.
Ah! You get all that meat, Bobby? And then I'm drinking green tea. And Bobby is drinking. Ooh, Bobby.
No. Look at that.
And Bobby is drinking this
Sweet tea.
Sweet tea. So the green tea is just okay.
You want to mix it with my lemonade?
I gotta drink some down.
Or why don't you just pour it in there, in the cup?
It's fine. And I didn't want anything. I didn't want soda. Something that would counteract the salt. Oh, I want to go for my lobster. Oh, I just want to go for everything. So Bobby, when you get it, kind of take everything apart, and then you break it in half like that, and it wiggles on out, baby.
Oh, put that in some sushi.
Oh, and Bobby
That's
makes
what we need to
sushi.
do.
So, oh my god.
Okay, do you want me to ask you some questions?
Mm-hmm.
I shouldn't have worn this. Oh my freaking god.
I'll wash it.
Oil?
I'll wash it. I have to wash some.
Okay.
That was good. Did you understand how to do it now, Bobby?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get this piece. Get that claw right there.
Yeah, that was kind of hard. Look, Bobby. Back up, back up. Ooh. You got a question?
Oh. What food is delicious but a pain to eat? Crawfish for sure. It's so hard.
It's a lot of work for a little bit of food.
What's the spiciest thing you've eaten?
Probably a chicken, fried chicken. You know how you can get those different flavors?
From like Buffalo Wild Wings?
How about you?
Oh, I don't know what the pepper is called, but it was some pepper that they grow at my friend's house.
And the mom told them not to eat the pepper. And what do they go and do? You need help with that too, Bobby?
No.
Look, Bobby, see? Just broken in half. Look at that, Bobby. Here we go. You want it, Bobby? No?
Didn't even give me a chance to answer.
You said no. So, what other kind of challenge, food related, should we try? My son won't do spicy at all. And I don't like anything burning off my taste buds anyway. I like the snow crab. It's like, maybe I overcooked that king crab. But it was like kind of rubbery. It took a while to chew. The snow crab just seems soft and delicate.
Like snow.
Melts in your mouth. But the shrimp. How's your lobster? Having a hard time getting it open? Ooh, ouch. That lobster good. My shirt ruined, child. We should have had on bibs.
Yeah, it is.
I'm gonna wash clothes right after this. Just the flavor in that boil. And my boil too, I put in a bouillon cube. I did throw in a bouillon cube.
How did you do that?
And I threw in Bayou seasoning.
Oh my god. Can you do that? I'm gonna hurt myself.
Well, you could play with that. Here's your meat. You take it out.
I thought you were gonna steal my meat. I was like,
I'm not gonna steal yours. And so we got 2 of these lobster tails. They were what, almost $5 a piece.
$5.
So I got one, she got one. You full now, Bobby? You full? You're full? Ooh.
I know, I'm getting full.
What's our next question, Bobby?
Here, you pick one.
Because it's on your side.
I can give it to you. Okay. What's something that you don't like paying for? I'm so full.
Something. Mortgage.
Wow.
Well, I don't like paying for outside of regular bills. Because I would just be listing them all. You know, you pay for food, you order something, you just didn't like it, didn't hit the spot. Or you like, I could have made this at home. You know?
I got it.
That's why I don't really go to soul food restaurants. Because I feel like I make it all myself. What you got, Bobby?
Hospital bills. I know that they've got to pay the doctors, pay for everything, but I think it's so dumb to pay for something that you couldn't have controlled. Like, if someone has cancer, they're paying thousands of dollars to just try to cure what they couldn't help to have. I think that's so unfair. I mean, I get they have to pay for the doctor, pay for the machinery, pay for everything, but I think it's dumb. I find that.
But you do know, in like, there's certain countries where you don't pay for medical. I know in Canada.
Excuse me. You don't pay for medical in Canada? That shrimp is so good. That's the best shrimp I think I've had. Oh, your shrimp is so good.
Okay, Bobby, try that. How so? Take this off first.
See, I just don't like putting my whole hand around it because my hands get so dirty. Okay, after this one. Oh my god, after this we have to go.
Ooh, what time is it?
It's 3:20.
Ooh. So I'm just dropping you off, or I'm taking you guys?
You're taking us there.
I thought she said forget it.
No, she was like, no, it's fine, I'll wait for you. Oh my god, we have to go.
Sorry. Slide it out, Bobby. There you go. You got it now?
Yes.
I got a little one. So before you go, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, share. We have lots of videos coming up, and I have a regular vlog. Vlogging, it does take a long time to edit that stuff, but with the mukbangs, I eat every single day. So with the mukbangs, I eat every day. We eat every day. And sometimes I'll stay at work late. Stuff happens, the kids eat, so I end up eating by myself. So you guys keep me company while I eat. And sometimes the kids will keep me company. This corn is so good. It has the perfect crispiness.
Oh my god, it probably looks so funny.
All right, we get another shrimp.
Okay, last thing. I can't, I'm done. I'm full.
One more question, Bobby.
One more? Okay.
So what is something that you hate paying for?
What food do you crave most often?
Ooh, that's a good one.
Cheesecake and watermelon. Watermelon all the time. I love watermelon.
What do you crave most?
Oh my god.
And you're not pregnant.
You, ice.
Oh!
It's not really a food, but it's ice for you.
I have to have my ice. So I'm getting ready to drop Bobby and her friends.
And you gotta take 5 minutes to go get her ice.
I'm not getting in my car without my full cup of ice. And I went and got me some Chick-fil-A ice. You know, you can get Chick-fil-A ice. You can get a bag. Because I was going to our ice maker is acting weird. So I went to the gas station to get a bag of ice. That thing was $2.30 for a bag of ice. And then I said, let me just see what it's like at Sonic. I mean, not Sonic. Oh, Sonic has good ice too. At Chick-fil-A, a bag of ice for $1.30.
You better be spinning out her yet.
I was like, give me 2 bags. All right. So now there will be snack here tomorrow. I won't take this to work, y'all. So please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for eating with us. Bobby has to go to her friend's house. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Later.